Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you how I achieved this super simple natural look. I used mainly TooFaced product except for my brows and my waterline pencil. I am gonna start the video with my brows and waterline pencil already done, so consider those few seconds to do your brows and apply the pencil inside your waterline. I didn't show you that because not everybody needs it. For example, if you have small eyes, you don't need to apply the black pencil. It's just for those who have like bigger eyes. Also for the brows, not everybody needs to do their brows. You can just go natural brows if you like. I have lots of hair, so I don't apply a lot of makeup. I just applied a little bit of the Benefit Cow Brow and a little bit of brow gel. Alright, so if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, please just keep on watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I mainly wanted to create this for moms who don't have much time in the morning to do their makeup, or for whoever really don't want to spend too much time in it. So it's super easy. It gives you like a refreshed look. It only takes like few products, and I really want to share with you this blush, the Peach My Cheeks Peach Berry from Too Faced. This one is so cute. I love it. I really like it because, as you can see, I applied everything with my fingers, so you don't even need brushes for this look. It's really simple, and I really want to, be able to share these little advices with people that don't have time to do their makeup, for normal people, not only for makeup lovers or makeup addicts. One thing very important that I forgot to show you in the video is to use a primer or a moisturizer that it's more like suitable for your skin. So if you have a dry skin or a normal skin or a very oily skin, you know your skin, so use your moisturizer, and after you do the step that I show you. Also, I use this primer, the Hangover 3-in-1, before and after I was done, but this is optional too. I really love it, how it feels on my skin, so totally forgot to show you in the video, but I did use it. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time with another video. Ciao!